Compound P on nitration with dilute HNO3 yields two isomers. This will be isomer A and B. These isomers can be separated by steam distillation. Isomers A and B show the intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding respectively. Compound P on reaction with concentrated nitric acid yields a yellow compound C, a strong acid. The number of oxygen atoms present in compound C. Now there is a compound P. On treatment with dilute nitric acid, it yields two isomers A and B. A shows intramolecular hydrogen bonding, B shows intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Both can be separated by steam distillation. And then P on treatment with concentrated nitric acid, it gives a strong acid, and the acid is a yellow color compound C. Now to identify this compound P is a phenol. Considering the sequence of reactions, on treatment with dilute HNO3, it will form two isomers. One will be orthonitrophenol and another one will be para-nitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol will show intramolecular hydrogen bonding because both OH and NO2 group are very close to each other. So there will be hydrogen bonding between the hydrogen of the OH group and oxygen of the NO2 group. In para-nitrophenol, OH and NO2 group are far away from each other, so it won't show intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Instead, it will show intermolecular hydrogen bonding, where two different molecules of para-nitrophenol will show hydrogen bonding with each other. Now this compound P, that is phenol, on treatment with concentrated nitric acid. When it is treated with concentrated nitric acid, all the ortho and para positions undergo substitution by the NO2 group. So the product formed is trinitrophenol. All the ortho and para position hydrogens are substituted by NO2 group and trinitrophenol is formed, and this is the compound C. It is also known as picric acid.